Hey friends, today we'll look into a few more examples of linear equations and see how to solve it in simple 3 steps. So let's look at the first example, which is 3a plus 5b equal to 26 and a plus 5b equal to 22. Let's number them. Let's number 3a plus 5b equal to 26 as equation 1 and a plus 5b equal to 22 as equation 2. And let's find its coefficients. So in this equation, which is 3a plus 5b, the coefficient of a is 3 and the coefficient of a in second equation is 1. If you look at the coefficients of b, if you look here, it's 5 in both the cases. Step number 2. If we have same coefficient, we need to just add or subtract. But if we have different coefficients, then we need to make it same. So in this case, we have the same coefficient. So we'll look at the signs. So the signs are plus, because in first equation it is plus 5b and second equation says plus 5b. So the signs are positive. So what we'll do is, if they are same, we'll just subtract. So what will happen next is, when you subtract, 3 minus 1 will become 2 and 5 minus 5 will become 0. So the equation that will form is 2a plus 0b. And what will happen? First equation minus second. So 26 minus 22, which will become as this one, 26 minus 22. So it will be 4. So a equal to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. Step number 3. So once we get value of any one of them, we'll put it in any equations. It could be first, second, or if you have few more equations, you can use those. So put it in any equation. Here let's put it in equation 2. So which is a plus 5b equal to 22. Putting it in this equation, we get the value of b as 4. So the value of a and b are 2 and 4. So in case if you want to check whether your answer is correct, just put it into the another equation. So the remaining equation here is 1, because we already used equation number 2. So just put the value of a and b in first equation and check if LHS and RHS are same. If they are same, which means your answer is correct. Now let's look at the another example. So we'll try to solve it in the same way. So we are numbering the equation. X plus 7y equal to 10 is equation 1 and 3x minus 2y equal to 7 is equation 2. Now when we look at this, the coefficients of x are 1 and 3, y is 7 and minus 2. But here the coefficients are different. So we need to make it same. How we do is, so the coefficient of equation 1 should be multiplied by 2 and 2 multiplied by 1. So we just need to interchange the numbers, but only for x, or you can do it for y, any of those. So let's do it for y. So we'll multiply the equation 2 by this 1 and equation 1 by 3. So this will be the new equations. Multiplying 3 with equation 1 will become 3x plus 21y equal to 30, and equation 2 multiplying by 1 becomes 3x minus 2y equal to 7. Now we have the same coefficients. So draw the table again and check for the signs. When we check the signs, here the signs are same. Sign of x is same. So what we'll do is, we'll do the subtraction. So 21 minus minus 2. So minus minus becomes plus. So 21 plus 2 is 23, and the sign of a bigger number. So 23y equal to 30 minus 7, which is equal to 23. So value of y is equal to 1. Step number 3. Put the value of y equal to 1 in any equation. So we'll put it in the equation number 1. So solving it gives value of x equal to 3. And then you can check by putting in any equation and see if LH is equal to RHS. If you want me to solve few more equations, please let me know in the description, and I'll be happy to provide the solution of few more examples. Thank you.